Successful investing is about managing risk, not avoiding it. Welcome back to another episode of Investment Crusader, the one and only channel you need to educate yourself with real, beginner-friendly investment advice. Are you looking to become financially free, retire early with a healthy bank balance, or simply manage your money better? If so, this is the channel for you. Subscribe to the channel now so you never miss any of our latest content. Investment Crusader aims to provide our community with no-nonsense, informative content so they can make the most of their own finances. We don't believe in telling you what to do with your money, but we want to equip you with the tools and knowledge to make the best decisions for yourself. If you want to join us on your very own path to financial freedom, subscribe to the channel and get involved.